Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy homemade Lebanese bread with parsley. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take back your dough and add some parsley, as much as you want. I use the dry one, but you can use the fresh one, which is way better. Knead for incorporate the parsley. Then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and knead again for incorporate all the ingredients. Shape the dough like a ball for help it rising. Put the dough ball inside the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap or a towel. Keep it in a dry and warm place, like an oven turned off. Let it rise from 3 to 12 hours, depending if you use the dry yeast or sourdough. Take back your dough and look how much it has risen. Put some flour on the table and then put the dough on top of it, and divide it in 2 portions. Now form a ball by stretching the dough using the friction between your palm and your fingers. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back the dough ball, put some flour on top of it, and flour also a rolling pin. Now roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add some flour until it's about 1 cm thick. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. Let it slowly cook for around 30 seconds, and if it is cooked, just flip it to the other side. Once the bread is ready, just cover it with a towel to keep it warm. And repeat the process by placing the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready! It is very soft to the touch and it smells amazing. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey, we'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and Maraka, Chef Ciano and Coach Murad.